Let's keep our spine straight. Eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it breath. Om. 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 ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आन शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। वर्णानामर्थसङ्घानां रसानां छन्दसामपि मङ्गलानां च कर्तारौ
वन्दे
वन्दे वाणी विनायकौ भवानी शङ्करौ वन्दे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्थमीश्वरम् वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणम् यमाश्रितो हि वक्त्रोऽपि चन्द्रः सर्वत्र वन्द्यते नीलाम्बुजश्यामलकोमलाङ्गम् सीता समारोपितवामभागम् पाणौ महासायकचारुचापम् नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम् लालदेहलालीलसे अरुधरि लाल लंगूर वज्रदेह दानवदलन जय 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 कपिसूर यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। रामं रामानुजं सीतां भरतं भरतानुजं सुग्रीवं वायुसूनुं च प्रणमामि पुनः पुनः। नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यः नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहम् पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनम् अञ्जनीनन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। ॐ आञ्जनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात्। गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् शान्तं शाश्वतमप्रमेयम् अनघम् निर्वाणशान्तिप्रदम् ब्रह्मा शम्भु फणीन्द्र सेव्यमनिशम् वेदान्तवेद्यं विभुम् रामाख्यं जगदीश्वरं सुरगुरुं मायामनुष्यं हरिं वन्देऽहं करुणाकरं रघुवरं भूपालचूडामणिम् नान्या स्पृहा रघुपते हृदये स्मदीहे सत्यं वदामि च भवानखिलान्तरात्मा भक्तिं प्रयच्छ रघुपुङ्गवनेर्भरां मे कामादिदोषरहितं कुरु मानसं च अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं धनुजवनकृशानं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि वातजातं नमामि. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Sundarkandam session. Before going on break, we have completed the first sarga. I hope you all got enough time to revise it and see the meaning and have a flow in Valmiki's thought. Let's immediately dive into the Dvitiya sarga. Letaji, we'll start first with you. And Letaji, I doubt that I will take up this shloka. And those who want to volunteer, please raise hands. So seeing the number of hands, let me recite the shloka. ससागरमनाधृश्यमतिक्रम्य महाबलः
ससागरमनाधृश्यमतिक्रम्य महाबलः
कूटस्य तटे लङ्कां स्थितस्वस्थो ददर्शः
त्रिकूटस्य तटे लङ्कां स्थितस्वस्थो ददर्शः ससागरमनाधृश्यमतिक्रम्य महाबलः त्रिकूटस्य तटे लङ्कां स्थितस्वस्थो ददर्शः
सागरमनाधृश्यमतिक्रम्य महाबलः त्रिकूटस्य तटे लङ्कां स्थितस्वस्थो ददर्शः अतिक्रम्य द्वित्वा was there स्थितस्वस्थो स्थि महाप्राणा अल्पप्राणा visarga sakara swastho tho again mahaprana. So that alteration of Mahaprana, Alpaprana, Mahaprana, Visarga and the sibilants, the Sakaras gets tricky. So mark it over there so that you need to practice separately. Sthita Swastho. The th pronunciation of Mahaprana is little tricky because it is following one after another immediately. Okay. ततः पादपमुक्तेन पुष्पवर्षेण वीर्यवान्
ततः पादपमुक्तेन पुष्पवर्षेण वीर्यवान्
अभिवृष्टस्ततस्तत्र बभौ पुष्पमयो हरिः
अभिवृष्टस्ततस्तत्र बभौ पुष्पमयो हरिः ततः पादपमुक्तेन पुष्पवर्षेण वीर्यवान् अभिवृष्टस्ततस्तत्र बभौ पुष्पमयो हरिः
ततः पादपमुक्तेन पुष्पवर्षेण वीर्यवान् अभिवृष्टस्ततस्तत्र बभौ पुष्पमयो हरिः पुष्पवर्षेण two shakaras, murdhani shakaras coming simultaneously. Need a practice over there. Mark that word. And abhivrishtas tatas tatra. That sakaras are coming with shakara half over there. Need a little practice. And to say babhau fluently. Ba alpa prana, bha mahaprana. So many times the tongue gets stuck. So unless you pick up the word and say babhau, 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 then in the chanting it will flow when you do Sundarkand Parayan, because that Babau will come so many times. Pushpamayo, that Shakara also we will have to remember. Yojananam shatam shrimam stirtvapyuttama vikramaha.
योजनानां शतं तीर्थ्वाप्युत्तम विक्रमः
Shrimam stirtvapyuttama vikramaha.
श्रीमांस्तीर्थ्वाप्युत्तम विक्रमः
Tvapyuttama.
प्युक्तम ओके श्रीमांस्तीर्थ्वाप्युत्तमः
Uttama vikramaha.
श्रीमांस्तीर्थ्वाप्युत्तम विक्रमः
अनिश्वसन् कपिस्तत्र नग्लानिमधिगच्छति.
अनिश्वसन् कपिस्तत्र नग्लानिमधिगच्छति योजनानां शतं श्रीमांस्तीर्थ्वाप्युत्तम विक्रमः अनिश्वसन् कपिस्तत्र नग्लानिमधिगच्छति.
Thank you, Netaji. Yojananam shatam shrimamstirtvapyuttama vikramaha. Pyuttama. Pyu will have a pressure because double ta is there, conjunct. So Pyu is a dvitva. Vikramaha. Kra is a conjunct. V is a. So Pyuttama vikramaha. Pyuttama. So that half ta is in that Pyut. And Vikrama half ka is in the Vikramaha. Okay, so two dvitvas over there. Anishwasan is Visarga Shakara. Kapis Tatra Naglani. Nag. So that is a dvitva. Naglani. Madhigachati. Ga is also dvitva. Okay. Two dvitvas on top row, two dvitvas on the bottom row. Naglani. Adhigachati. Gacha. Ga is having a pressure. Okay. Lalitama. Next three. Shatanyahai yojananam krameyam subahunyapi.
शतान्यहं योजनानां क्रमेयं सुबहून्यपि
Shatanyahai yojana. Anuswara is not vakara, nyakara.
शतान्यहं योजनानां क्रमेयं सुबहून्यपि
Correct. Kim punasagarasyantam sankhyatam shatayojanam.
किं पुनः सागरस्यान्तं सङ्ख्यातं शतयोजनं शतान्यहं योजनानां क्रमेयं सुबहून्यपि किं पुनः सागरस्यान्तं सङ्ख्यातं शतयोजनम्.
So the anuswaras. Shatanyahai yojanam. Ya is the of yojana. So hers anuswara will become ya. Yojananam kra is there. So nang krameya will be ng. Yojananam krameya. Not nan. Nang. Krameyam. Su is there. So sakara is there. So ya's anuswara will become wa. Krameyam. So first is nya, then is ng, and then is wa. All the three anuswaras are different in the top line. In the bottom line, kim. Pa is there. So ma is only the pronunciation. Kim punasagarasyantam makara sankhyatam sankhya. Kha is there. So sang. Right? Ka's anuswara will become wa. Sankhyatam shatayojanam. Okay. Shatanyahai yojananam krameyam subahunyapi. Who is dirgha? If you hold the who, then the tune will fit. Kim punasagarasyantam sankhyatam shatayojanam. Satu viryavatam shrestha plavataamapi chottamaha.
सतु वीर्यवतां श्रेष्ठः प्लवतामपि चोत्तमः
Jagama vegavan lankan langhayitva mahodadhim.
जगाम वेगमान् लङ्कां लङ्घयित्वा महोदधिम् स तु वीर्यवतां श्रेष्ठः प्लवतामपि चोत्तमः जगाम वेगवान् लङ्कां लङ्घयित्वा महोदधिम्.
Vegavan Lanka. Anuswara is Lakara because Langhitva's lo is there.
Can you repeat, ma'am, this?
Yeah. Jagama Vegavan Lanka. Lanka. So Lakara will be there of that Anuswara.
Yeah, okay. जगाम वेगवान् लङ्कां लङ्घयित्वा महोदधिम्.
Yes. Say the whole verse.
स तु वीर्यवतां श्रेष्ठः प्लवतामपि चोत्तमः. जगाम वेगवान् लङ्कां लङ्घयित्वा महोदधिम्.
Very good. स तु वीर्यवतां श्रेष्ठः प्लवतामपि चोत्तमः जगाम वेगवान् लङ्कान् लङ्घयित्वा महोदधिम् शाद्वलानि च नीलानि गन्धवन्ति वनानि च
शाद्वलानि च नीलानि गन्धवन्ति वनानि च
मधुमन्ति च मध्येन जगाम नगवन्ति च
मधुमन्ति च मध्येन जगाम नगवन्ति च शाद्वलानि च नीलानि गन्धवन्ति वनानि च मधुमन्ति च मध्येन जगाम नगवन्ति च.
Thank you, Lalita ma. This was a straight and simple verse. Shadvalani cha neelani gandhavanti vanani cha madhumanti cha madhyena jagamanagavanti cha. So only neelani's ni, first ni is dirgha. Rest everything nicha, nigandhavanti. So those we have to keep short where there were rasva. So that means the next alphabet we have to say fast. Shadvalani cha. Not we can't say Shadvalani cha. We can't go that way. So the tune has to fit the Hasva sound. The tune, to fit the tune, we should not make the alphabet Dirgha. That you mark for this verse. Verse is simple, but the chanting rule might go here and there with Hasva Dirgha to fit the tune. That. Okay, Radha Krishnan ji, next three verses. शैलांश्च तरुसञ्छन्नान् वनराजीश्च पुष्पिताः
शैलांश्च तरुसञ्छन्नान् वनराजीश्च पुष्पिताः
अभिचक्राम तेजस्वी हनूमान् प्लवगर्षभः
अभिचक्राम तेजस्वी हनूमान् प्लवगर्षभः शैलांश्च तरुसञ्छन्नान् वनराजीश्च पुष्पिताः अभिचक्राम तेजस्वी हनूमान् प्लवगर्षभः.
शैलांश्च anuswaras vakara taru sanchannan because cha is there so anuswara will become not samchan sanchannan vanarajishta ji is dirgha pushpita that half sha also should be murdhani shakara abhi chakrama cha is a dvitva sound tejasvi dirgha has to go hanuman nu dirgha has to go plavagar मूर्धनि शकार हः महप्राण शैलांश्च तरुसञ्छन्नान् वनराजीश्च पुष्पिताः अभिचक्राम तेजस्वी हनूमान् प्लवगर्षभः स तस्मिन्नचले तिष्ठन् वनान्युपवनानि च
स तस्मिन्नचले तिष्ठन् वनान्युपवनानि च
वनान्युपवनानि च स नगाग्रे स्थितां लङ्कां ददर्श पवनात्मजः
स नगाग्रे स्थितां लङ्कां ददर्श पवनात्मजः
स्थितां लङ्कां anuswaras lakara lankan dadarsha ka's anuswara will be nakara
स नगाग्रे स्थितां लङ्कान् ददर्श पवनात्मजः स तस्मिन्नचले तिष्ठन् वनान्युपवनानि च स नगाग्रे स्थितां लङ्कान् ददर्श पवनात्मजः
स तस्मिन्नचले तिष्ठन् वनान्युपवनानि च स नगाग्रे स्थितान् लङ्काम् ददर्श पवनात्मजः सरलान् कर्णिकारांश्च खर्जूरांश्च सुपुष्पितान्
सरलान् कर्णिकारांश्च खर्जूरांश्च सुपुष्पितान्
प्रियालान् मुचुलिन्दांश्च पुटजान् केतकानपि
प्रियालान्मुजुलिन्दांश्च कुडजान् केतकानपि सरलान् कर्णिकारांश्च खर्जूरांश्च सुपुष्पितान् मुजुलिन्दांश्च कुडजान् केतकानपि
Correct. सरलान् कर्णिकारांश्च खर्जूरांश्च सुपुष्पितान् प्रियालान् मुचुलिन्दांश्च कुटजान् केतकानपि मुचुलि, all these are short sound. Kutajan, ku is a short sound. But ketakan, so we have to hold k when we there so that the tune will fit. Because ketakanapi, that p is short. Otherwise the tune will not fit. Thank you, Radhakrishnan ji. Next three verses, Nikhila ji. त्र्यङ्गून् गन्धपूर्णांश्च नीपान् सप्तच्छदांस्तथा
प्रियङ्गून् गन्धपूर्णांश्च नीपान् सप्तच्छदांस्तथा
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 Correct. असनान् कोविदारांश्च करवीरांश्च पुष्पितान्
असनान् कोविदारांश्च करवीरांश्च पुष्पितान् प्रियङ्गून् गन्धपूर्णांश्च नीपान् सप्तच्छदांस्तथा असनान् कोविदारांश्च करवीरांश्च पुष्पितान्.
So all the dirgha sounds if we hold, we'll get the tune over here. Priyangun, that gu long. Gandhapurnamsha, that pu long. Nipan, that ni long. Okay. And then in the second line, Karaviramsha, that vi long. So if all these dirghas, if we come over there and pause, then that rasva we can manage. Otherwise, the rasvas we will go and make dirgha to fit in the tune. Okay. प्रियङ्गून् गन्धपूर्णांश्च नीपान् सप्तच्छदांस्तथा असनान् कोविदारांश्च करवीरांश्च पुष्पितान् पुष्पभारनिबद्धांश्च तथा मुकुलितानपि
पुष्पभारनिबद्धांश्च तथा मुकुलितानपि
पादपान् विहगाकीर्णान् पवनाधूतमस्तकान्
पादपान् विहगाकीर्णान् पवनाधूतमस्तकान् पुष्पभारनिबद्धांश्च तथा मुकुलितानपि पादपान् विहगाकीर्णान् पवनाधूतमस्तकान्.
पुष्पभारनिबद्धांश्च तथा मुकुलितानपि पादपान् विहगाकीर्णान् पवनाधूतमस्तकान् हंसकारण्डवाकीर्णा वापीः पद्मोत्पलावृताः
हंसकारण्डवाकीर्णा वापीः पद्मोत्पलावृताः
वापीः
हंसकारण्डवाकीर्णा वापीः पद्मोत्पलावृताः
क्रीडान् विविधान् रम्यान् विविधांश्च जलाशयान्
आक्रीडान् विविधान् रम्यान् विविधांश्च जलाशयान् हंसकारण्डवाकीर्णा वापीः पद्मोत्पलावृताः आक्रीडान् विविधान्
sorry, आक्रीडान् विविधान् रम्यान् विविधांश्च जलाशयान्.
Continue, Shinaji. हंसकारण्डवाकीर्णावापीः पद्मोत्पलावृताः आक्रीडान् विविधान् रम्यान् विविधांश्च जलाशयान्. Sumitaji, next 3. सन्ततान् विविधैर्वृक्षैः सर्वर्तुर्फलपुष्पितैः सर्वर्तु. Okay. सर्वऋतु, that sandhi सर्वर्तु. सन्ततान् विविधैर्वृक्षैः सर्वर्तु फलपुष्पितैः
सन्ततान् विविधैर्वृक्षैः सर्वर्तु फलपुष्पितैः
उद्यानानि च रम्याणि ददर्श कपिकुञ्जरः
उद्यानानि च रम्याणि ददर्श कपिकुञ्जरः.
Pause at Ramyani, that otherwise that knee is getting dirgha. Udyanani cha Ramyani dadarsha. Immediately let it follow.
उद्यानानि च रम्याणि ददर्श कपिकुञ्जरः.
Correct.
सन्ततान् विविधैर्वृक्षैः सर्वर्तु
महाप्राण.
सन्ततान् विविधैर्वृक्षैः सर्वर्तु फलपुष्पितैः उद्यानानि च रम्याणि ददर्श कपिकुञ्जरः.
Perfect. Excellent. सन्ततान् विविधैर्वृक्षैः सर्वर्तु फलपुष्पितैः उद्यानानि च रम्याणि उद्यानानि च रम्याणि ददर्श कपिकुञ्जरः समासाद्य च लक्ष्मीमान् लङ्कां रावणपालिताम्.
समासाद्य च लक्ष्मीमान् लङ्कां रावणपालिताम्.
परिखाभिः सपद्माभिः सोत्पलाभिरलङ्कृताम्.
परिघाभिः सपद्माभिः सोत्पलाभिरलङ्कृताम्. समासाद्य च लक्ष्मीवान् लङ्कां रावणपालिताम्. परिघाभिः सपद्याभिः सोत्पलाभिरलङ्कृताम्.
परिखाभिः सपद्माभिः.
ओके. परिघाभिः सपद्माभिः सोत्पलाभिरलङ्कृताम्.
Both visargas are sakara. समासाद्य च लक्ष्मीवान् लङ्कां रावणपालिताम्. परिखाभिः सपद्माभिः सोत्पलाभिरलङ्कृताम्. सीतापहरणात् तेन रावणेन सुरक्षिताम्.
सीतापहरणात् तेन रावणेन सुरक्षिताम्.
समन्ताद्विचरद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः.
समन्ताद्विचरद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्र. Can you repeat that?
Yes, राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः. समन्तात् विचरिद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः. समन्ताद्विचरिद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः.
समन्ताद्विचरद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः.
You are saying rakshai, you should say rakshasai.
Okay. समन्ताद्विचरद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः.
Correct. Say the whole thing again once more.
सीतापहरणात् तेन रावणेन सुरक्षिताम्. समन्ताद्विचरद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः.
Correct. Tritiya vibhakti rakshasaihi plus Ugra Dhanvabhihi. Okay, so it is Rakshasaihi, by Rakshasas. Okay. Thank you, Sunita ji. सीतापहरणात्तेन रावणेन सुरक्षिता समन्ताद्विचरद्भिश्च राक्षसैरुग्रधन्वभिः. I think we'll stop over here for today. 15 verses we've done by His grace, though we had so much to talk in the first half an hour. Next week we'll complete the chapter. There's a wedding in the family. I thought this weekend, that's why Santosh would come, but I'm holding on the classes. Let's see. Anything is there, anywhere I'll go with the book and we will have it over there, the class. So if it means in the car also, if I'm traveling back from the wedding, we'll have the class in the next week. I'm not canceling the class. We've already had a 1 month long delay as we will. So we'll continue from where we have left. So only 15 verses are there. You can read the meaning and come. And if you have time, you can complete the chapter's meaning also. So then while chanting, it will make more sense of understanding and then chanting if you have time. But at least these 15 meanings, verses meaning, please do. Let's stop for today. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Sita Ramachandra Arpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining. Finally, we
Hariyo.
started.
It
Yes.
was so nice to see you, Varshaji, after so long.
I feel safe. You know, if there's no class, there is something in life that is missing.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
everything in life stalls. But now when the class is there, there is some bala of the class. There is some strength of the class which propels to see the life further. And I was desperate to come, but my bravery of moving without sweat. I lost my sweater over there. So I had no sweat. And I thought 5 and 6 degrees is fine because after experiencing -2, so my bravery award was this 2 week sickness with Gaudelin. Just 3 days ago, I've changed the antibiotic and I have come. So, but it is much settled. But I was not at all okay. My lung got very badly. So whenever that's another reminder that in the Himalayan cold is different, not like our cold. So how much ever we feel comfortable, better to keep the chest warm and roam about and not show any bravery things like what I did. I lost my specs. I lost my sweater. I've done so many childish things and I've come in the spirit of seeing the Lord. And then I had to adjust everything and they were very good. But I really feel if God calls me again this year itself, I would like to go September, October again. Go to Badrinath and come. If nothing else, going to Badrinath is now a favorite spot. It's like I just want to be on the Narayan Parvat and come. Once you experience Narayan Parvat, I'm sure you will also like it. Because there in Mana, in this side and all, when this Vyasa Guha, Ganesh Guha, Saraswati, Bhim Pool, this side, there is a lot of public. And there are a lot of shops. It appears like how we go to some hill station and we walk and all, no? It will look like that. But in Narayan Parvat, you don't get even a water bottle person over there. Nothing is there. Not a single shop, not a single person. You have to carry and then climb. But that is the spot for sadhana and meditation. Anyways, yeah. Who knows? Our Bhagavad Saptah should, not Bhagavad Saptah. I went over there for our Narayaniam. God only knows if it happens over there. Can dream know anything, we can dream. And anything is possible with this grace. Amazing it is. To sit. And then that means if we do one Narayan Parayana, we'll get 10,000 Narayan Parayana. Means it's a Bhagavad, no? Right? So Bhagavad Saptaha, but Narayanam is in the entire Bhagavad in 6 hours we would finish. Who knows? Who knows? Let us imagine big. Because I heard it from a Mahatma. If you chant over there, your sadhana gets 1,000 times. Like Hala.
Varshaji, I have chanted Vishnu Sahasranamam in the temple, Badrinath,
Awesome, awesome.
in the
So at
morning,
Charan-
5 o'clock.
Awesome. So it is on again Narayan Parvat. So you get those many 1,000 into
I was not
10,000 is
knowing about Narayan Parvat. No, I came to know through you. Otherwise, I would
and
have
there is a
planned.
Charan Paduka. So there's Vishnu's Paduka. Before he comes and sits as Badrinath, when he comes out from the meditation, his Pada. I'll post that. So I sat over there and I did Vishnu Sahasranam there. You wouldn't believe. So the temperature would change anytime and rain could happen anytime. The climate would go and you wouldn't believe. And it's an open thing. There is nothing. There is one Sheila. That's all about it. One stone. There is no cover. There is nothing. So when I had decided that I'm going to do Vishnu Sahasranam, and so when I'm taking the and behind the Vishnu Pada, there is Lakshmi Paduka also. Okay, that I forgot to say. And when you take the Pradakshina, there is one guha, and in that there is Akhanda Jyoti, one Mahatma is lighting in that cave. You have to crawl and go in that cave, and in one corner he has kept Akhanda Jyoti. I've taken that also. I'll post that as forgot to tell. So what I was going to tell now, it was going to rain. So there were some people who visit, no? So they were all running for the shelter. And I said, no, I'm going to chant Vishnu Sahasranam. So some people, two of them waited for there. You wouldn't believe, as the Sahasranam began chanting happening, it stopped raining. Otherwise, it's beyond shelter and I have to get drenched and it means it will be like very chilling cold. It will be minus cold, the icy cold only it is. It stopped. Whole Sahasranam completed. So other side it is raining and all. Whole Sahasranam completed. When I'm coming down on the journey, that's the time it started to rain. Oh, chill means it's ice water falling on you. It was so chilly. But the Sahasranam went uninjured. So it is one of those bravery things, unwanted bravery things, this all cold and so got drenched nicely. There was nothing and so cold and you have to trek down back. There is no other option. There is no, otherwise in Mahatma's hut you can go and sit. But I am thinking when it will stop raining, you are already wet. That means again you have to sit with wet clothes and all. So, of course, there's no washroom, nothing and all over there. Okay, it's a plain mountain. It's that Narayan Parvat. So I'll show and I'll share the surrounding mountains. Gandhamadan Parvat. Hanuman's Gandhamadan Parvat.
Yeah, Gandhamadan Parvat. Yeah.
Yes, so that is there. Neelakantha Parvat, Nara Parvat, Narayan Parvat, Urvashi's Parvat, Kubera's Parvat. And in that Nara's Parvat, there is a Shankha appearance on the Parvat. So I've taken a picture of that as well. In the mountain, you can see Vishnu Shankha over there. So that's also something. Means that spot is like that. So beautiful. So much. Means I can keep talking about it and I still can't express it. So I'll just put it out all in this group, the picture. Now, since you have heard it, you might correlate and visualize what it was. And everybody talks only of Badrinath temple, but there is so much around that actually. I think we will have to leave for daily Gitas. Thank you everyone for joining and allowing me to express as well.
Most equally enjoyed it,
Yeah.
Varshaji. It's like seeing him virtually, we have been seeing it.
Amazing. Now I'll post pictures and you will actually see Vishnu Paduka, Bhim Pool, and Pandava Swargarohan, Saraswati Nadi, Ganesh Guha, Vyasa Guha. All this it has all happened. No, it's history, it's itihas. What mythology they've done. It's there. It's there. The place is there. Mm. Okay. Hari Om, everyone.
Hariom, thank you.
Thank you,
Hari Om ji,
Ashwati.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Sachi.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om Varsha ji.
Hari Om ji, Hari Om. Where is my girl?
She went to tuition, ma'am.
Oh, this is Sharanya, if everybody remembers, our cute little Sharanya. Now she's in what standard you had said?
10th standard, ma'am. 10th standard.
She was this fourth, fifth standard girl when she had joined. Cute little plaits, two curly hair days. Now she's doing her thing. So maybe next summer class I can see her.
Yes, ma'am.
Hari Om ji, Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you. Thank you,
Hari Om
Ashwati.
ji.
Hari Om.